What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We got the Italian sausages from Costco. Look at these. These are so awesome, dude. I had two more on here, but the girls are eating them. So these are a couple left for me tonight, and then some more tomorrow, I guess, or whenever. But yeah, awesome. Fucking looking so fucking good. Alright, just drop some more wood in there too. Yeah, buddy. There it is, guys. Little smoke ring in there. Yeah. Yeah. Check it out, guys. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, yeah. Dude, so fire. I didn't point it out. There's some green peppers and onions on there too that were grilled up inside on the pan. Friggin' bomb dinner, guys. So easy. Well, it wasn't that easy. I had to stand for like an hour or whatever to keep turning these. But all good. Other than that, it's pretty easy. Alright, that's all I got for tonight. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world. All that cringy YouTube crap. And I will see you guys next time. Chronic Eats out. Have a good one. Peace.